Stop wasting money on random home gadgets. These 3 actually fix real problems. And the last one, it's small but weirdly addictive and insanely useful. Let's get into it. Store-bought whipped cream dies in minutes, but this, it stays perfect and looks insane. This is a 500 milliliters whipped cream dispenser that lets you create cafe-style toppings right at home. Just pour in your cream, lock in a nitrogen charger, and give it a quick shake. In seconds, the gas transforms your liquid into a smooth, fluffy foam that's ready to use anytime. The trigger nozzle gives you full control, so you can pipe clean, satisfying swirls onto coffee, cakes, or desserts. It's built with a durable aluminum body, and it comes with multiple decorating tips to level up your presentation instantly. One thing to note, if you like your cream extra firm, you'll want to chill the dispenser for about an hour before using it. If you're tired of flat, boring toppings, this is a simple upgrade that makes everything look and feel next level. Still touching dirty mop water with your hands? Yeah, there's a way smarter way to clean. This is a hands-free flat mop system with a dual chamber bucket that washes and dries in one go. Just slide the mop into the wash side to scrape off dirt and hair, then move it to the dry side. As you pump it up and down, built-in scraper blades squeeze out all the water, no hand-wringing needed. The 360-degree rotating head makes it super easy to clean under furniture and tight corners. Plus, the stainless steel handle extends up to 132 centimeters, so you can clean floors, walls, and even windows without bending or overstretching. One thing to note before first use, you'll need to fully wet the mop pad, since a dry one can feel a bit stiff going into the wringer. If you want a faster, cleaner way to deal with messy floors without getting your hands dirty, this is a solid upgrade. You know that moment when you can't find your keys or lipstick? This tiny bag just solved that, and it looks expensive. This is a mini key wallet and cosmetic pouch designed to keep your smallest essentials in one place. Just zip in your keys, coins, or lipstick, and clip it directly onto your purse or belt loop. So instead of digging through your bag, everything you need is right there, instantly accessible. People love this because it's small, practical, and adds that extra bling to their everyday carry without feeling bulky. If you're tired of losing small essentials in your bag, this is a simple but surprisingly satisfying upgrade. So yeah, these aren't just random finds, they're upgrades you'll actually use every day. If you want the links to all 3, check the description below. And if you're into smart, satisfying home upgrades like this, hit subscribe because I've got way more coming.